Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm DINEO. I've been gone a while and I blinked on Saturday and I opened my eyes and it's Saturday and I don't even know how it happened. And this whole time I was wondering to myself, how can people lose track of the time? How can people not know if it's a Thursday or a Monday? And it happened to me, and I completely understand that this lockdown is not child's play. So this brought me here so we can go back to regular programming, which is like a daily thing. I'm not gonna upload on Sunday because I really want to focus on my time, with God on Sundays. Yeah, it brought me here where I wanna talk to you about this whole situation with cycles. I was listening to a song by Jonathan McReynolds. It's called Cycles. There's a very powerful line in that song that says, "See, the devil learns from your mistakes, even if you don't." And that's how you stay in your cycles. And have you ever realized that sometimes there's like aspects of life which you find yourself not moving in, or like there's a heaviness, or like you see yourself going back to the same type of guy or the same type of situation? You're like, but didn't I get through this last year? Didn't I get over this type of situation? Why do I keep attracting this into my life and stuff like that? My cycle is procrastination. I'll be like, no, I'll do it later. Later becomes tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes never. Next thing it's Saturday and I'm here feeling awkward in front of a camera. And I feel like the first thing that you need to come to terms with is the fact that you indeed have a cycle that you keep going into, and it's like a loop and you're stuck in that loop in order to break out of the cycle. So admitting that you have a problem as with any addiction or any issue is very crucial. Admitting it and coming to terms with the fact that this is what I'm doing and this is what is wrong, and I will not allow the devil to keep me in this cycle. I want to move. I want to not be stagnant and stuff like that. So there was news some time back, or this week, I'm not really sure, time has like really escaped me, where apparently some news surfaced about some guy who had been beating his ex and stuff like that, and he denied it. Now, I feel like as Christians, we all, or most of us, have a past. We shouldn't be ashamed to talk about the past because we're not where we are in God's loving hands because we were good people or because we deserved it or because of anything. He took you from where you were, how bad you were, what the things you were doing. So it's important to actually confess your sins or confess that you did this. Yes, fine, you have changed. Yes, fine, you are really allowed to advocate against the things that you did in the past. It's not hypocrisy, it's growth. So it's very important for us to admit to the past things that we have done, the things we've grown out of, because if you're not able to confess, these are things that you keep in secret, like in the dark box in the corner, hoping that no one knows. You might actually feel like you can get away with it again. There's no sense of accountability. So this is me confessing to my procrastination, and I'm saying sorry, and I'm saying I'm not gonna allow my schedule to like be out the window again. Hopefully, I'm praying that God will be with me through this, and I hope that every one of us will like look at our cycles and be like, this is a cycle. I realize that I've not learned from this, and I'm going to remove myself from this and do something different so that the outcome is different. So yeah, I wanted to talk about cycles and how we have to really evaluate our lives and realize if we have a problem, that it's not everyone else, because you might change the people around you, you might change your location, your environment, but if the same thing keeps happening, it's you. It's something that you're just constantly going to go through and keep doing over and over again unless you change something about your life, like your choices, your decisions. And I really have to get back on track with my schedule. Friday was a better day. Friday I got a lot done, but the other days, guys, Anyway, let me give you the verse of the day. On Monday, we'll talk about ignoring God. But let me give you the verse of the day today. It's from Proverbs 22, verse 29. This is CSB. I don't like this version very much. I like NKJV, and we've talked about this before. But anyway, it says, do you see a person skilled in his work? Some say diligent. He will stand in the presence of kings. He will not stand in the presence of the unknown. So it's really important, guys, to be diligent in your work. You know, do the things that you said you were going to do, even if right now people aren't, you know, giving you your accolades and stuff like that. People aren't giving you the time of day or whatever. Keep at it. Keep at it. Stay on schedule. Stay focused. Stay, you know, consistent. I'm gonna try to stay consistent, and that will open doors. You know, people are watching even if you don't think they are, and you know, if you can take care of little, God will give you more. That's what I believe. You know, I think there's actually a verse about that. Be kind, be amazing, be the best version of yourselves. I love you so much. See you Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Ciao.